we found a pretty cool treasure hunt. I like this one. I actually like it. It's called the Draggin Wagon. It's from Let's Race. So this is one of the treasure hunts. If you can see in the background, it has the little flame. So let's go ahead and surprise Levi. He's gonna be super excited. All right, let's go. Levi, got a surprise for you. Guess what I got? Check it out. Found 3 new ones. I found this one right here that you've been wanting. I found the 73 Jeep J10. That's a cool one, right? And we found a treasure hunt!
Yeah!
Yeah, give me a high five, bro. That was a cool one. Check it out. It's from Let's Race.
Hey guys, welcome back to Levi Hobby Hunt.
Welcome back, guys. We're excited to be back to show you guys some of our new Hot Wheels. We have found some pretty cool Hot Wheels this time. And we're excited. I surprised Levi today with a new treasure hunt flame. Say it. The flame.
The flame.
Yeah.
And you can put a Lego. Then you can put the hands on the.
You can add a Lego in it. Yeah, you could play with it with Legos. So it's pretty cool. Legos will fit in it perfectly. And we also found a 1973 Jeep J10. Pretty cool. I like that one. And the Mazda AutoZam. This is pretty cool because this one is actually from the Legend Tours.
And it's actually a real car.
It's a
in
real
the
car.
90s.
No, it's not in the 90s. It's a car made now. So the Legend Tours is a meetup. It's a big event that Hot Wheels does. And they choose the best cars to make some more Hot Wheels off of it. So as an actual car, it's a real truck, you could say. And they made a Hot Wheel off of it. So, what do you want to start with today? Oh, you want to start with the big AutoZam. You want to start with that one?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, let's do it.
No, with the Jeep.
We're going with the Jeep. Okay. Not with... Huh? We're not doing the treasure hunt? All right, we're gonna open it.
No, I open it. I open it.
Okay, close down here.
Ah.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, look at that.
No, sweet. You got some extra tires there for you. Hey, they're not the same color. Because these are the spares. These are pretty cool. It has some fans in there. I like the color. I love this paint job.
The Paco.
Yeah, do you like this one? Is this a favorite? Favorite it is. Hit it. Cool. All right, we're gonna place that one there. Okay, what's next?
The big one.
The Mazda AutoZam.
The Legend.
These are the Legends, they call them. All right, this one is from the Dream Garage.
What's the Dream Garage?
I guess the series that it came out. That's what's cool. All right. Slow it down, mister. Whoa, look at that. You've been dying to open this one up, huh? Let's see.
Oh.
It looks like a big, giant four-wheeler, like an ATV. That's pretty cool.
It's actually big up this Jeep. Let's see.
Let's see, how tall is it? Oh yeah, it's taller.
Oh my gosh! It's too big.
It's pretty big.
Let's see if it can go faster.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Jumped off the table. Bring it back. This one, I'm sure, you know what they use this one for?
What?
Probably to go mudding, to go outdoors,
Yeah.
to get through all the swamps and stuff, you know? So that's probably why they made it so tall. This one's pretty cool. I like this one.
So we just checked it out. We went outside. It couldn't fit in the building. The Texas tube. Give you one guess where it's from. Duh, Texas.
I'm Craig Moe, and I'm the designer and builder of Texas Tubes. This is a 1992 AutoZam Squirrel. It's always been a dream of mine to have a monster truck ever since I was a kid, and start chasing after it. As you get older, start chasing your dreams. So I built myself a 48 by 16 foot wide shop. I designed and built that all up by hand. Once I got done building it, I went and found this little mini truck, brought it in the shop, and started tearing it apart and building it, what you see now.
Without further ado, Ted Wu, would you do the honors, sir?
I'd be honored. This one car is going to be immortalized as a Hot Wheels die-cast car. So without further ado, the winner of the 2022 Hot Wheels Legends Tour is... Oh, the Texas Toot!
Texas Toot!
Give me a Jeep for Texas!
Texas Toot. You know, Jay, why did you pick that car? Why did you collectively kind of, come to that conclusion?
Well, I had a couple of choices. That was one of them because to coin a phrase we came up with here, it's the most Hot Willian car of them all. I mean, it has all the. I mean, it's stunning. I think kids' eyes will pop out when they see it. Little car with a big,
our eyes popped out.
It looks like a superhero,
Yeah.
If you did a cartoon about a little truck that had a superpower, it would turn into that. So that's
great.
why I picked it.
Yeah.
All right, let's put these to the sides. Dun, 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 dun. What is next? The Flame Treasure Hunt. Dun, dun, dun. Here it is. This one's called the Draggin Wagon.
Why call it the wagon?
Because it drags from the drag strips. So it's called a Draggin Wagon. Not the dragon like a dragon that throws fire. No, not that. Dragon from drag strip. Not that. All right, I'm scared to open this one.
You just say the same thing, Bond Amendment.
Of course.
I
Why are you leaving?
like it. Bye.
Come back, Levi. We need you. Come here. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Come on, come on. Come back, come back. All right, let's do this. I'll open it. You gonna do it? Easy, slow it down, Rambo. Whoa, look at that. Wait, come on, bring it back. Come here, let me show you this. Yeah, you're adding a Lego to it?
I can't.
Come on, bring it over here. So
I almost there.
you almost did it.
You do it, Dad.
Look at this. Yeah, what you brought in here? Is this Rhino? Spider-Man? Hold up. Relax, mister.
Relax, Donald.
There he goes.
There he goes.
Where's his helmet?
I got unfigured.
You brought Captain America now?
Hey, get up in there.
Let me see. That's funny. Here's the little Lego Captain America. Oh, that's hilarious. That's funny. See, it fits pretty good. It's pretty good. Check this out. Let me check something here. Oh, look at this. You see where the flame is at?
Yeah.
It's right there. That's the flame for the treasure hunt.
Hey, get my car back.
Hey, look, it's Miles Morales. I took your wagon.
Hey, come back. Go.
All right, guys, that is all for today. We have opened 3 new Hot Wheels.
The Draggin
Wagon, which is the treasure hunt. The Jeep J10. And the Mazda AutoZam from the Legends Tour.
The
big one. Yeah, that was cool. I like these a lot. So,
You know which was my favorite,
which
Dad?
one's your favorite?
This one, this one.
These 2 are your favorite ones?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh man, these are cool. Yeah, I like these a lot. I like this little wagon. Especially that you can put the Legos on it.
Yeah.
The little
With
Legos
each
character.
Legos. Hey.
Hey, wait. Let's put on Miles Morales this time. All right, let's put on and we wrap up the show with Miles Morales taking off.
Right.
There we go.
Here you go. Let's
Goes
go.
Miles Morales.
And get up.
3,
1, 2,
2, 1. Bye, guys.
Ah.